Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a bunch of new things. Okay, so I went off cam and I was exploring and I found at least 10 pieces of iron. Finally I can make me some better gear because all I have is this turtle helmet, and I actually got this turtle helmet from when I was off cam exploring and stuff. Turns out, if you kill a turtle, they drop some stuff. And it turns out they gave me water breathing? I don't know. And it was pretty cool. And all. Just look at that. It just won't go away. Anyways. So, I also got a bunch of, coal. I think I'm gonna build a chest to put all my stuff in. Yeah, chest. And just so you guys know, I actually do share my channel with another person. So I won't take full credit for anything I do on this channel. Oh no. Oh no. Nope, no zombies coming in today. Not today, zombie. Not today. Anyways, if you hear anything in the background, that's my sister. She's playing Roblox right now. She plays with a lot of cool friends of hers and all. Anyways, now let's see. Yes. What is going on over here? Okay, now I can put all this stuff up, because my inventory is completely full. Like, give me a break, inventory. Alright, let's see. Also, my door was broken by a zombie. Yes, I was robbed by a zombie and killed one day. But let's not talk about that. That's off-cam death. It doesn't matter. I hope I don't die on cam, though. I really hope I don't die on cam.
Alright, now you go ahead and do what you're doing, alright?
Nope. Not today, skeleton. And not today. Nope, not today. I feel none safe. I think I should run away into my little humble abode.
God has shot my arms. Blood all on my shirt. Wake up in the morning, I got murder on my mind.
Nope. Help me. I have 2 bones because I killed a skeleton. The only one. I was off cam. Bit.
Hot pockets on my mind.
Son is wrong with you. But I'm gonna make this house more homey. And in the description, what would you like my house to be built with? And please put in the description what type of skin you want me to get. And if you want to, you can make me my own custom skin if you do. That would be really nice. It'd be my fan skin. Because I love it when you guys put all your support. And I also want to say thank you again for 82 subscribers. You guys have been my life at this moment. You've helped me out so much. Without you all, I don't think I would be where I am today. I honestly don't. Now let's get this done. Dude, I'm so dumb. There was iron above me this whole time. I mean, not iron, but coal. Yeah, Serenity? My sister being stupid. Oh, if you want to know who's older between me and my sister, why don't you ask her? No! Curses! can't have anything, can I? Nope, apparently not, Anaya. Apparently not. Actually, since I am like this, I might as well use my iron. Probably not for that. But for this, maybe. For some pants.
Look, Anaya.
I got 3, so I can make an iron pickaxe. No, an iron sword would be more handy because as you saw those zombies and stuff. Yeah. Suit up. At least that gives me more armor. You know. I cure a pig nearby. Anyways, I'm going to go out exploring. Like I usually do. Like I did in the last vid. I did explore. And I actually, as of recently, I got a bunch of kelp. Oh no. No! What am I doing? My controls are going out of whack. Well, at least that stopped that. Fishies, die for me, will you? Oh, so it can only be used while I'm in water? Curses. I only have 10 seconds under here. Better use them wisely. Where the heck did he go? Also, they like to swim in sea. I'm like a shark hunting them down. Come on, I just can't get rid of this potion effect even if I wanted to. Oh my gosh, I actually killed it! I got a big fish, finally! No, no, die, die, die! Thank you. Thank you. Hey, look! Man, fishing is easy in this game. I mean, you don't even have to have a fishing rod, but I still want a fishing rod. But then that means I have to kill a spider. And I don't like going in caves and doing stuff like that. Yeah, and then I want to make a bow soon. So that sucks as well. Hey, you fish who like floating up on the top of the water. You think that's a good idea? Well, then you're stupid. Hey, I killed one in one go. Two in one go. I mean, what am I talking about? I'm getting good at this. Although I need some space. Speaking of that kelp stuff, it's pretty cool how you can get kelp. So that's an easy source of food that I might use for a new series. Actually, I'm thinking about making a Minecraft series modded. Yes, getting things modded is so hard and stuff like that. But I gotta figure out how to add mods into my Minecraft. And when I do, trust me, victory will be mine. Oh, frick. I better go inside. I don't want to be that. They'll never know I live here. Just some random cobblestone will block it. Yes, I know I'm an idiot. So I decided I'm going to just turn that into stone. Place it right there. And nobody will know. Minecraft has gotten smarter these days. Oh, wait. Can you make things with stone? Let me see. No, it gotta be cobblestone.
This one can speed it up.
Cobblestone.
Oh, yo. What? Ah, yeah.
Alright, stone. Alright.
Speed it up. Speed it up. Speed it up. Speed it up.
Hey! Over here! Yeah, you, skeleton! Hey, over here! Kill me. I'm like totally asking for it. Oops. I'm just a bit paranoid. Now, there, they will never notice. I'm so derpy and stupid. I mean, if you saw my face. Honestly, don't care. Anyways, as I said, 15-minute limit. Nah. It's getting close. So, I'm gonna just put out this disclaimer. Yes, I'm sorry again if you did not watch my other video. I'm sorry for not uploading. It's just that I've just been so busy and tired these days. I just don't know where to get my inspirations from. That's why I've been watching other YouTube videos of other channels and getting my inspiration from them. Especially from my Gay Love series. Yes, that's right. Especially from that series. I see a bunch of other people who do their series, and honestly, they're way better than mine. I improved my intro for that series really good based on what I saw from other YouTubers. Anyways, if you hear voices in the background, that's my family. I have a big family. Anyway, let's just put that out there because it's about to hit